In this video, I will reveal the same strategy that I use for make titanic profit with one single trade. It's extremely easy to use. You will do even if you have a small account with $100 or even $50, you can make up to $700, $1,000, $1,500 opening one single trade. We will apply this strategy on the daily chart. So we're talking about long-term trades, means that you open a trade today and you can close in few weeks or even months. So you must be patient, but it's very good because it's less stressful, because you're not gonna spend anymore the whole day watching in the chart and opening a lot of trades and sometimes make and face a lot of losses, and it's extremely powerful. So let's jump into the chart, but before we start to explain the strategy, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the like button of this video. So as you can see, we are trading here Bitcoin against USDT. We are in the daily chart and this is all we need. Then we go on indicator and we add this indicator called 200 SMA. That is nothing else about simply moving average line that it helps us to identify the trend. So how it works, the strategy, it's perfect. When the candles are below the moving average, we go for sell because we are in a downtrend. Vice versa, when the moving average is below the price, below the candle, we are in an uptrend, so we're going in a long position. As you can see, for example, we could open a position here when the moving average it cross the candle. Okay, so here we can enter in a long position, and we do like this. We enter here, we place our stop loss just a little bit below the last key level. Let me enlarge the screen so we are sure that because we're talking about crypto, it's extremely volatile. Even if we have some pullback or some manipulation or something, we are safe and we continue to follow our trades. And you can use a 1-to-5 or even a 1-to-10 risk reward ratio. So basically, when this line it crossed the green candle, we enter in the trade. So it's the video, I can close now the video because it's extremely easy. Vice versa, we can enter in a short position when we see the line that it cross the candle and the candle starts to go below the moving average. So in this case, we're gonna enter in a short position here. We place our stop loss just a little bit above the last key level, and we go downstairs with a 1-to-5, 1-to-10 risk reward ratio. So we need to be patient because this trade are position that stays open for a long period of time, but it gives you extremely satisfaction. Because now let's go ahead and let's open a trade live together. So as you can see, we saw the price that crossed the moving average line. So this time we entered in a long position. We enter in a long position. We can enter here, we can enter here. We place our stop loss just a little bit below the key level and we enter for a trade. I make it like this so I show you exactly how much we are gonna make from our trade. In this case, we are risking $1,864. So it means that we want to bring outside at least twice we are risking, but even more. So we can go to $6,000 or even $10,000 profit. So let's go ahead and let's see how it works, this trade. Yes, it can happen that we face a little bit of drawdown, but until the moving average is below the price, we can open and trade absolutely safely. As you can see, this trade is still going. It's going up and it smashed our profit, making us $7,148 with one single trade. In this case, I opened one position at one because, of course, yes, I have a little bit more in my account. I work with my personal account that I grow every day, that I compound every day. But even if you have $100 and you open one position using the same lots, the same leverage, you can generate up to $700 with one single trade. This strategy is extremely easy to use, but if this is not enough for you, you can jump on the same trades every time I open a trade. And for make it, you can go on CryptoSniperOfficial.com. You will find the link below in my description, and this one, it will gives you the opportunity to create an account on Bybit. And if you do using my specific link from CryptoSniperOfficial.com, or also in the description below on this YouTube video, you will be able to climb up to $30,000 bonus once you sign up and deposit. So after you do this step, you will be able to contact me and receive the special invitation link for copy my trade 100% automatically and achieve results like this one, this one, this one, and this one. And you will see more and more because every day we upload new results. Okay, guys? So stay strong, stay rich. See you in the next video.